Neodisher MediClean Advanced, the innovative high concentrate for automated instrument processing. Are you looking for more sustainability in CSSD? DrWeigert proves that less is more. With the high concentrate, 2 canisters are now enough, rather than the usual 5. As a result, neodisher MediClean Advanced also makes handling easier and reduces transportation and disposal costs. Benefits at a glance: strong cleaning performance, makes instruments sparkle and shine, removes dull deposits and ensures an optimum look and feel. Outstanding material compatibility. More sustainable as it conserves resources. Interested? If so, please contact your neodisher specialist advisor regarding sustainability and high concentrate, or visit us at a forthcoming conference. DrWeigert. Systematic hygiene.